Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm jumping back at you with another video. And in this video, I want to talk about why you should absolutely not work with credit repair companies. But before we jump into that, I definitely want to thank everybody that did subscribe. If you're not subscribed, please do. Hit the notification bell. Definitely like, comment, share, tell a friend and tell a friend. But let's jump right into it. These companies, what they do is, they prey on people that maybe you got yourself into a jam, or people that, their credit's gotten bad and they feel a little bit overwhelmed and they're looking for a way out. And they're looking online and they see these companies like, hey, we got Jimmy here's credit from 530 to 780, and now here he goes, he's driving the car of his dreams, or he's getting his house, or whatever the case may be. And I'll check out our tutorials, and these people kind of fall for it. And a lot of times what these credit card companies do, or these credit repair companies, what they do is they take your money and they put it in the escrow. And basically, they'll tell you like, hey, give us a fee each month and we'll get working on this. Basically what they do is they take your money, they put it in escrow, they let it pile up and pile up and pile up, and they know that the credit card companies or whatever debtors that you have, after a certain amount of time, the companies will be willing to work with them and they'll be able to settle for a lower amount of money. So basically, they're just gonna call them up, they're gonna sit back and wait until it charges off, okay? And then they'll wait after it charges off, they'll negotiate a lower rate, take the money and pay it off, and then they'll keep a huge chunk of whatever's left. But here's the catch to all this. They're not doing anything differently that you yourself can't do. So basically anything that you've defaulted on, anything that you've gone into collections for, anything that's been charged off or whatever the case may be, just because something's charged off doesn't mean that it can't affect you adversely. Yeah, it's gonna make your credit go bad. It can stop you from doing things like purchasing a home and things of that nature. So a lot of times you need to get those things cleaned up. But you don't need a credit repair company to do that. You can actually do it yourself. You can get on the phone with these companies and you can negotiate and do the same things that they do for free. So what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna get to a point where you get everything together that you owe, whatever it is. Get the names of all the companies, get the phone numbers, get everything together, and just call them up one by one on a list and see what deals you can make. 9 times out of 10, they're going to be willing to make a deal with you. It's definitely going to be lower than what it is, whatever it was that you owed, and you'll be able to pay it off. Whether you make it in a few payments, whether you just settle out in one lump sum, or you'll be able to do that. Instead of paying a credit repair company that's going to do the same exact thing, but charge you way more. And they're going to be acting like they're doing something for you, when in reality, they're not. They're taking your money and they're sitting back and they're waiting for whatever accounts you have to charge off so that they can then go in and negotiate. So, I definitely want to put that out there, that if you're struggling with those things and you're thinking about using a credit repair company, don't do it. Now, you can definitely do it yourself, and you're going to save a ton of money, and you're going to be able to get these things knocked out one by one. If you have any questions, like I always say, you can definitely shoot me an email. I'll definitely have it down in the description. But yeah, don't let these guys get over on you. Definitely there's other ways out there to fix your credit, ways, and you can do it yourself. But definitely don't let them take advantage of you. If you guys have any questions, any comments, put it down in the comment section. I'll catch you guys in the next one.